Layer, definition, layer in a sentence, layer pronunciation, layer meaning. Welcome to another research paper word, American pronunciation of layer. Layer. Lay-er. Layer. Layer as a noun means one of the many sheets of material covering a surface, or a thin sheet of a substance on top of a surface, or a level of material that is different from the materials on either side, or one of several related ways of thinking or doing something. Common usages in academic writing: the surface layer, a thin layer, a thick layer, a layer of management, to add a new layer, to remove a layer, layer upon layer. Example sentences: layer, noun. Bears have a layer of fat that acts as insulation in the winter. Example sentence number 2. The eruption had covered the town with a fine layer of ash. The common academic writing variation is layer, verb. After you apply the icing layer on the cake, you can layer the strawberry slices around the edges. Please write a sentence using layer in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of layer, the meaning of layer, and layer example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.